Hi, welcome to Chinese After Hours. Today, we will talk about Mandarin Chinese question words you need to know. Let's get started. What? 什么？什么？ Who? 谁？谁？ Where? 哪儿？哪儿？ Which? 哪？哪？ How? 怎么？怎么？ Why? 为什么？为什么？ When? 什么时候？什么时候？ How many? 几？几？ This question word is only used for a small amount of objects, under 10 to be more specific. How many? 多少？多少？ This question word is used only asking about a certain amount that's higher than 10. Yes or no question word. 吗？吗？ You can keep in mind the wonderful fact that if you want to create a yes or no question, you can just add 吗 at the end of any given sentence. The presence of 吗 will turn the sentence into a question, requiring a question mark at the end of it. What about? How about? 呢？呢？ The first thing you have to know about Chinese question words is where to place them in a sentence. The answer is simple. The question word has to be placed in the position of the word you are asking about. This is very different from English, where you have to change the order of the words to create a correct sentence. When using a question word in Chinese, none of the words have to change their position in the sentence. For example, 她是索菲亚 She is Sophia. 她是谁 Who is she? You don't change the position of the question word who. Just use the question word who in place of the name you are asking about. Sophia in this case. So, she is Sophia. She is who? Then we can see some examples of how to use the most common question words mentioned above. What? 什么？什么？ What's this? 这是什么？ Who? 谁？谁？ Who is she? 她是谁？ Where? 哪儿？哪儿？ Where are you? 你在哪儿？ Which? 哪？哪？ Which do you want? 你要哪个？ How? 怎么？怎么？ How do you go home? 你怎么回家？ Why? 为什么？为什么？ Why are you late? 你为什么迟到了？ When? 什么时候？什么时候？ When will your flight take off? 你的飞机什么时候起飞？ How many? 几？几？ How many people are there in your family? 你的家有几个人？ How many? 多少？多少？ How many people are there in this room? 这个房间有多少人？ Yes or no question word. 吗？吗？ Is she pretty? 她美吗？ How about, what about? 呢 How about you? 你呢 It's not as hard as it might at first seem to learn this unique language. Always remember that the Chinese learners are all in this together. When you are not sure about something, leave a comment below and I will answer your question. Make sure to follow for more authentic Chinese every day. If you want to access the handout for this lesson, you can click the link and download it. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!